In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM. This integration is an excellent way to streamline your project management and customer relationship workflows, allowing for smoother transitions and greater collaboration between teams. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have all the details needed to get started without a hitch. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the home page of Zoho CRM. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the home page, you'll have easy access to the various features and functionalities that Zoho CRM offers. Next, locate the Marketplace icon on the Zoho CRM interface. Clicking on the Marketplace is crucial as this is where you can find and install various extensions, including the one we need for this integration. Once the Marketplace has loaded, head to the search bar and type in Zoho Projects. You'll see a list of relevant extensions populate your screen. Look for Zoho Projects for Zoho CRM and give that a click. By doing this, you'll be taken to a page detailing all the features of this integration, helping you understand precisely how it will enhance your experience. After reviewing the information, go ahead and click on the Activate button. This initiates the process of enabling the extension within your CRM. When prompted with the terms of service, make sure to click the checkbox indicating your agreement. This step is standard protocol, ensuring you comply with Zoho's guidelines and policies. With that checkbox ticked, you'll want to activate the extension by clicking the Activate button once more. This action finalizes the activation process, making the integration ready for your use. Once activated, you'll see a Get Started button that you should click. This will guide you through setting up the integration further. Here, you'll have to choose a portal configuration that suits your organization's needs. You can select from existing configurations or create a new one to tailor the integration to your specific requirements. Next, type in the name of the portal you wish to configure. This could be the name of your organization, a team, or whatever label aligns with your setup. After entering the portal name, make sure to save your configuration by clicking on Save. This vital step ensures all your settings are recorded. Finally, you're nearly at the finish line. Click on Save once more to wrap up the entire integration process. Doing so will solidify your setup, and you can now start leveraging the combined power of Zoho Projects and Zoho CRM. With these steps complete, you've successfully integrated Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM. This integration will undoubtedly enhance your operational efficiency, linking project tasks effortlessly with customer data. Thank you for following along, and enjoy the new streamlined capabilities this integration provides.